Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a release in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the project you want to work on. In this new tab, click on this plus icon at the end of your navigation menu, and this tab will open. In here, you can see your Releases tab right here, so click on it and click on Add to Navigation right here. Now that your Releases tab is added to your navigation menu, click on it and click on Create Version at the far right. This pop-up will open where you will start creating your version by typing in a version name in this field. Then you're going to choose a start date in here, then a release date or the deadline, and then in this driver field, you're going to pick who is responsible for this version. After that, just add a short description down here. And once you're done creating your version, click on Save down here to save your changes. And that is how you can add a release in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.